Hi all, today I'll be showing you a very small tutorial yet very effective. This tutorial helps you visualize how many dust spots are there in your image. Now let us see how to visualize such hard dust spots using Lightroom Classic. Import an image and go to the develop module. Then you can click on the remove icon here. There is the remove or heal or clone. You can use any of these to visualize spots. The small trick lies here. There is this checkbox called Visualize Spots. When you click on Visualize Spots, it starts revealing how many dust spots are there in your image. This becomes very useful when you print an image because most of the dust spots are magnified in a print. Click on the Visualize Spots here and then increase the intensity. Now the spot starts to reveal. Do you see a galaxy of spots here? So when you uncheck it, you might not see that many spots, but when you click on Visualize Spots, there are these many spots here. So you can then click on each of them to remove it. So this is all about how to visualize dust spots in your image. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if it was, please click on the like button. Thank you.